Morning, everyone. Alright, so I'm just making hubby some breakfast. He loves these. I thought I'd just take you along my typical Friday day. Sometimes it's productive, sometimes it's not. We'll see what happens. Today is the 23rd, so it is the day before the holidays. Good morning, everyone. Okay, as you probably saw, I just wanted to start out with the clean kitchen today and just finish off the dishes I didn't get to last night, which wasn't very many. I just wanted to put away everything and use the dishes we used after I already did dishes. So I'm gonna make Disney French roast coffee, the Disney one. It's so good. I recently got a bunch of Disney coffee in the mail. Oh, I should probably scoop it. And I've been really loving it. I can show you the different ones I got in just a moment. I can put this on first. So usually in my little mocha pot, it's like one, I do yeah. Like 2.5 scoop. And then I kind of press it down with the scoop itself. So I've been making coffee this way for a little over a month now between the Nespresso and this, and I really enjoy this one. I use this tiny little coffee scoop that came with the coffee grinder I got. And then I'm just gonna put this on. I already made my husband coffee, and so that's why you saw me wash this. Now I'm making coffee for myself. Alright, so the different coffees I got, so that's the other Joffrey one. Really loving this. So when we go to Disney World in next summer, next June, I'm really excited. I have never been and I'm really excited to go. But yeah, when we go, I told hubby that I was like, yeah, we should stop and get coffee since the roasters are there, and so that'd be a really fun experience. So I got my favorite one, which is the Mickey and Minnie Winter Wonderland. So I got 2 bags of ground and 1 whole bean. And then I got 1 more. So I just did a little bit. I've got the Minnie Mouse Apple of My Pie one. It's caramel apple and cinnamon. It sounded so good. You can't really... Yeah, I know they had the whole, but sometimes you can't smell it. But yeah, so this one sounded really good. So I was like, oh, I'll try that one. Plus this one was on sale too. Most of the coffee I got was on sale as well. But yeah, so that is the coffee that I did get recently and that I've been enjoying. So I'm gonna make my milk. I'm just gonna froth it with the Nespresso one. I go between wanting coconut milk and regular milk. If I have a second coffee a day, I'll do coconut milk. But if it's my first coffee, I'll do regular milk sometimes. I can have both. I'm not allergic to anything. And so, just do a little bit of milk. And then with this French one, I don't eat a lot of this, but I use the Italian sweet cream. I recently tried this and it's really good with the French roast. I'm gonna do a bit of that, and then I'm just gonna froth this. But yeah, I've been really enjoying just trying different coffees now that I have a way to brew it. Eventually I'll get like a pour over style as well. Hi buddy. Oh, hello. But yeah, this is kind of what a typical morning looks like. I already got breakfast for hubby and the little one. I'm not quite hungry quite yet, so I'm just gonna start with coffee and then have some water as well. Yeah, I'm just taking along with me with my typical Friday. Sometimes it's really protective, sometimes just a normal. My car on since our winter storm came in, so I was like, I need to go do that. Yeah, I need to scrape it, but I'm just warming her up right now because it's freezing. Oops, sorry. But yeah, so we're got up early, super happy about that. So start of a 3-day weekend. I love 3-day weekends. Yeah, it is so cold. I'm wearing a sweater, big, like, nice bulky sweater dress with like a fuzzy like vest as well. But yeah, so I wanted to give a quick update while I'm warming up my car. So I was doing the 75 medium challenge, did it 2 weeks straight, and then this last weekend, like Sunday, Monday, I actually was in like immense pain. Like on a scale of 10, it was like probably like plus 7.5, 8 out of 10. It was so bad. So I ended up not working out on Monday just to give my body rest because I was in so much pain. I went to urgent care. The pain was related to ear pain, and then also, you know, the time of the month for females. But yeah, my ear was hurting so badly. It was my right one. It wasn't an ear infection, but really irritated and a lot more inflamed and everything like that. So currently taking eardrops for that, and thankfully like that's so much better now. But yeah, so I kind of had to stop the 75 medium challenge because part of the challenge is you work out every day, and obviously like I did not work out Monday. So just being honest, like I don't want to call it a fail because I didn't fail at the challenge. I just want to say I want to try again because I definitely want to. So I'm thinking of starting like January 1st. There's some symmetry about that I just really love. Just like starting a challenge on the 1st of the year. It just starts off the year really right and just sounds really fun. So I'll probably end up starting there, just take the rest of the year and just have fun. Not that I'm like gonna go like destroy a diet or anything like that. Like I don't really know the correct phrase for that. And definitely like saying diet is not the right, but I still want to stick to like how I have been and just like focus on intuitive and healthy eating. But yeah, just want to give a really quick update as I'm warming up my car. Seriously, look how thick that is. So crazy. And like when I open the car door, like I slammed down on my hand. It hurts so much. But yeah, so just a quick update about that. I had planned, because it was supposed to warm up today, I had originally planned to go to FedEx. I need to pick up a package there. I need to mail off some Poshmark things this weekend, so I need boxes from the post office to do that. So I had originally planned, but I don't know how the roads are right now, so I'm a little scared to do that, because I do have an older car, and so she's getting up there. She's really good. I love her Toyota Camry. She has been through blizzards and everything like that, but I just don't know how she'll do in this kind of weather, because obviously it's not all-wheel drive. What is the difference between... I really need to research this and like look this up, because I truly don't understand cars enough, and so I feel like I need to learn that. Anyway, tangent there. But yeah, so I originally had this really productive day planned, so we'll just see how the day goes. Winter storm era, so yeah. Hey guys, so obviously I'm out now. Car looks so much better. I thought I would kind of go around, just walk around Target and get out for a bit. So thankfully it wasn't like too bad once I got everything like off my car. I think I was just like being extra paranoid because I'm so scared to drive in like snow and ice. But yeah, so it wasn't too bad. Hi buddy, do you want to say hi? No, he just wants a blanket. So we're gonna go inside Target, kind of walk around. And then this weekend I'm gonna do the FedEx and post office stuff. I need to get a couple boxes to package that up and then send that off tomorrow. Hopefully all goes to plan. But yeah, so we're just gonna walk around Target. I'm not really looking for anything. Let me start this sentence. Connor just loves to go around Target and look around at everything. You ready to go? Yeah. kind of picked him out. He loves Frozen, so he loves those. Just needed wipes, just pretty practical things. Let's see. Got Alani New, just one, a mimosa one. This one's pretty good. It's just like a orange and Sprite type flavor. And then just got a regular wash. And one last thing. So all that stuff was stuff I needed. And then I found this for the coffee station. It's so cute and it'll go perfectly. The coffee station is still in progress, so I'm not going to show you until it's like completely done. But I'm really excited for it. And I have a little unboxing to do. So I have a package from Sephora. Okay, so first off, we have just, you know, one of their free samples. It's the serum. Love trying new serums. This is an intense hydrating serum with green tea seed. Sounds interesting. So yeah, try that out. And that's, looks like a, what is this? Oh, cute. It's a tiny little perfume sample. It's a Tom Ford Oud Wood. Is that how you say it? Let's see. I want to smell it. It smells pretty good. It's like a woodsy with citrus. Then I needed some new dry shampoo, and I've heard so much about this, and it's like one of the most popular ones. So I thought I'd try this one. So I got the mini size. I use dry shampoos on the days that I don't wash my hair. I usually wash my hair every other day. And then I got the, what is it? The Grande Lash. So it's a lash serum, brow serum, and a liquid eyeliner with lash enhancing serum. So I currently use the brow serum and I think it works really well. I've seen a huge improvement. I need new lash serum, so I thought I'd give this one a try as well. And of course, you know, the gift sets are the best ones to get because you get the best value. And one more thing. So let's turn this around. Oh, I'm so excited. This was such a great deal. But I needed new shampoo. So this one is the shampoo that works for me. So it's the Briogeo Scalp Revival. I have to use the exfoliating one because I get really oily on my scalp, so that one works really well. And then it just came with, what is it? The hair repair mask. So I've used that before and I loved it. It makes your hair so soft and silky. But yeah, so that's everything in the Sephora haul that I got. And my Target haul that I got as well. Alright guys. So just thought I'd take you along. I'm gonna get some house cleaning done. I just feel kind of chaotic right now. So I need to get some stuff done, clean everything up, vacuum, so I'll just start here.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she's just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like she's whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody said, don't be afraid of loving yourself. She's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like she's whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself, cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself, cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Yeah, that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself, cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself, cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own.
You remember I asked you to meet in the middle. Now I'm here all alone again. You remember I call you. You were talking in riddles. Now you're lying to me again. You think I'm going crazy, but I'm not missing you. I only miss the illusion you pretended to be. I'm not acting crazy, I just said we're through. Baby, you gave a lot. What about trust? What about all this time you looked in my eyes, babe? What about commitment? What about all the empty promises? Oh, what about? Oh, what about? How could I be so stupid when I got all the signs? I guess that is love. Now the red flags are lucid, and I know that I'll be fine. I guess that is self-love. You think I'm going crazy, but I'm not missing you. I only miss the illusion you pretended to be. I'm not acting crazy, I just said we're through. Baby, you gave a lot. What about trust? What about all this time you looked in my eyes, babe? What about commitment? What about all the empty promises?
Hey guys, so just kind of cleaned up everything a little bit. I just feel so much better when everything is clean. I feel less chaotic. So yeah, kind of just show you real quick. There's a couple changes. So I got a couch cover. This one's a little big for this couch in particular, but I really like it. So I think it's just improving the space and brightening it up a lot. Goes cutely with there. I charge my laptop on that table. And then we have this chair here. That's basically the cleaner chair. I went to vacuum and clean it out. I need to shampoo it at some point, and then also I think get a cover so it's easier to keep clean. We keep the dyno here on top of the yoga mat so he doesn't get too close to the TV. This is helping, so he doesn't want to go and touch the TV, you know, when he's watching something. And again, I only did like the front part. I didn't do the back half. That will be the rest of this weekend since I do have 3 days this weekend. Just kind of want to pace myself, not do all at once, but also just still feel productive and more clean. I changed up how I had the fruit here. Nice little fruit platter. I'm mixing my words now. Then I want to clean up my workspace. Just like over the week, it just gets so messy. So I have my blue light glasses and then my regular prescription. I keep my vitamins here. Yes, I know it's not like aesthetically pleasing, but it's where I see it every day and I remind myself to take it. Just my water. This moves around with me wherever. My lotion. I have a notepad, and then those are just work notes there. And then just kind of cleaned up. I have a snack ready for him, cleaned up, did the dishes, cleaned up this area as well. So I just feel so much better with that. I don't know, is anybody else the same where you just feel really like stressed out, anxious, like when your home is just a little more chaotic? I'm not saying like it was a huge mess and I'm totally fine with it. Like cleaning, and sometimes I have to do it daily, so which is fine. Yeah, and I also wanted to just like bring up real quick, I feel like it's normal during these winter months, especially being like stuck inside for some days, like if you have a winter storm like we did. I know it wasn't like a super bad one compared to a lot of states, but especially like when you work from home and you don't get to get outside. I just feel like I kind of struggle with more like seasonal depression, and I have anxiety in general, so just like both of them are a little bit more amplified. Like I am a person that has to get out, like I need to get out. That's why I love going to the gym so much. I haven't been to the gym very much this week at all, so I'm really craving going, so definitely be going this weekend. Today I'll just do some yoga at home, I think. Yoga, weights, or something like that. I haven't quite decided, but yeah, just wanted to open up about that real quick because I feel like it's something totally normal, and I don't hear a lot of people just talking about, you know, how they feel with the seasons changing. Working from home has a lot of benefits, but it's also one of the struggles is that you're constantly home. And for me, I am an introvert for the most part, but I love being a social butterfly as well. So yeah. So I think that kind of ends off today's vlog. Just wanted to take you with you on like a typical Friday. I just try to get my space cleaned up for the most part, at least like half of the work done, so I don't have so much to do over the weekends. I try to just kind of wind down from the work week, and thankfully today I had a lot more time because I got off early, so that was really nice. But yeah, so I'm gonna spend some time with kiddo and just kind of do our nightly things. He goes to bed in a few hours, so I want to play with him and spend as much time as I can just soaking up everything, because sometimes I feel like the days go by and I don't even get the chance to be like, oh, how are you today? I know he's nonverbal, he is autistic, but I still can tell how he's doing, and I just want to spend as much time as I can with him. So I think I'll end the vlog off here as a saying, just hit the subscribe button so you know every single time I post, and make sure that bell is on so you get alerted, and then like this video if you did, comment, If you have any comments, or you know, if there's anything I could do better, please put it in the comments. Don't feel afraid or offended. I welcome any kind of feedback. And thank you. Love you guys so much.